The ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Dalit Tahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Women's role in upholding societal values in the Sunny Subzone. Training on hydroponic farming to farmers in Logan-Sabah Subzone. Tropical cyclone kills 2 displaced 10,000 people. And over 40 U.S. states sue Meta, accusing of its damaging children's mental health. On our local news, the National Union of Eritrean Women's President, Mr. Mikael, urged women to take an opportunity part in upholding Eritrean identity and values and passing them to the future generations. At the seminar held on October 19 for members of the union branch in the Sunny Subzone, Mr. urged the participants to increase their involvement in achieving a goal and mission of the union, noting that commendable development initiatives has been carried out in collaboration with the public and governmental institutions. The evidence of the commendable work being done to enhance the union's socio-economic potential, Mr. praised the support that the Sunny Subzone's union members are providing to underprivileged residents. The head of the union branch in Gashbarka region, Ms. Daga Yohannes, for her part, urged the members to increase their involvement in carrying out the union branch's programs. The Ministry of Agriculture branch in Logan-Sabah Subzone organized trainings to farmers in the subzones focusing on the development of the hydroponic farming system. The program, in which representatives of the farmers and agricultural experts took part, Mr. Ferzun Gabrawaldi, head of the Agriculture Office in the subzone, said that the objective of the training was to encourage farmers to introduce the hydroponic farming system with a view to improve the supply of nutrition food through alternative methods. Mr. Simona Manuel, representative of the livestock resources in the subzone, on his part said that hydroponic farming is believed to be a timely solution in defecting of green animal fed, and called on the livestock owners to introduce the system with a view to address an existed animal fodder shortage. Mr. Iyasu Haile, representative of the administrator of the subzone, indicating that introduction of hydroponic farming is a good alternative for addressing animal fodder in the subzone, and called on farmers to consult agricultural experts in their areas. Entrepreneurs in Haga subzone are providing youth in their community with the vocational trainings. Currently, training on wood and metal works, electricity maintenance, water pump maintenance, and related training is being provided to 121 youth, including 28 females. Mr. Atobrahan Tekabo, owner of the wood and metal workshop, said that he is providing 6-month theoretical and practical training in woodwork and electricity maintenance to 44 youth, including 6 females. The trainees, commending for the training opportunity provided, expressed a readiness to work hard with a view of the training they've received and improve their livelihoods. The Subzone's union branch head, Mr. Bashir Mohammed, urged partners to increase involvement in contribution in the endeavor to enhance the youth's overall potential. Dear viewers, we'll be back with the international news shortly. Stay tuned. Welcome back. A tropical cyclone has killed at least 2 people in a war-torn Yemen and displaced around 10,000 others, authorities said, after floods destroyed buildings and cut off major roads. Tropical cyclone Tej made a landfall over the coast of Al-Mahra governorate in the country's southeast late on Monday and continued to turn northwest. Telecommunications are down, badly hampering the rescue efforts. The storm has flooded roads, submerged cars, and forced Yemen Red Crescent volunteers in Al-Mahra to temporarily suspend operations. It cut off telecom lines and sent hundreds of families into shelters, schools, said the Brigadier General Hakim Al-Muhtari from Army's Al-Mahra Division. Following more rainfall late on Tuesday, the storm is expected to weaken and dissipate. The University of Notre Dame's Global Adaptation Initiative ranked Yemen as one of the region's most climate vulnerable countries. On our last news, dozens of states on Tuesday accused Facebook and Instagram owners Meta of providing from children's pain, damaging their mental health, and misleading people about the safety of its platform. In seeking to maximize its financial gain, Meta has repeatedly misled the public about the substantial danger of its social media platforms and urged a joint lawsuit filed in federal court in California. In total, more than 40 states are suing Meta, though some opted to file local courts rather than join in the federal case. Meta has exploited young users by creating business model designed to maximize time they spend on platform despite to harm their health, the legal filing urged. The suit accused Meta to dissipate and lawful conduct harming vulnerable youth for financial gain. The suit urged the federal court to order Meta to stop manipulative tactics and pay hefty financial penalty along with restrictions, according to James. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Women's role in upholding societal values in the Semi-South Zone. Training on hydroponic farming to farmers in Log-Ansaba South Zone. Tropical cyclone kills 2, displaces 10,000. And over 40 U.S. states sue Meta, accusing of its dangerous children's mental health. That is all our local and international news. Dear viewers, thanks for watching and have a good night.